Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to dip potatoes in salt and what this life hack can be used for. This is the enamel saucepan I have. As you can see, it is all dirty on the outside. The bottom itself is clean, but the walls are coated with a yellow coating. There is also this stainless steel saucepan, and as strange as it may sound, its bottom is a little rusty. You won't be able to clean such dirt with a sponge, but potatoes will cope with it easily. Take one potato, wash it, and cut it in half. Next we will need the most common salt. Take half a potato and dip it in salt. As you may have guessed, you can clean pots with potatoes and salt. Greasy splashes, accumulated plaque and rust, potatoes will easily cope with such contamination. Wet the pan with water and rub it thoroughly with potatoes and salt. While cleaning the pan, don't forget to dip the potatoes in salt from time to time. Look how quickly I cleaned half the pan to a snow-white state. If you have rust stains on the bottom of your pan, this trick will come in handy here too. But you will need to add one more ingredient. Wet the pan with water and pour some citric acid on the bottom. We will clean it with half a potato and salt. You will be surprised how quickly rust stains will begin to disappear. This same method can also be used to clean burnt pots. For example, you put milk on, forgot, it boiled over, and now the sides and bottom of the pot need to be washed from burnt milk. It will also be effective for more stubborn stains when the pan is used a lot and becomes more and more covered with greasy stains and plaque. The method is extremely simple and completely natural, so I advise you to try this option. I rinsed the pots, cleaned the enamel one, and look what a gorgeous result! Potatoes, salt 5 minutes, and the pots are sparkling again. If you also know any interesting ways to clean pots, share them in the comments. I hope you liked this tip, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching, see you in other videos.